please. That's because your mask.
Oh, you forgot a mask? I have an idea. Come on.
Are you ready?
It's gonna work.
You just gotta trust me.
Weird.
I think it's gonna work. You gotta put it away more. Take your hair. I think I can be a good makeup artist. Wow. Looks good. Final touch.
Would you believe?
I think it looks pretty good to me.
Maybe you need to be more straight.
Where?
White one.
This part right here? I'll put a little bit more white there. Yeah. Look on your left, right.
Wow! Look at this. It looks so real.
Pretty
Wow.
real. This is mine, and that's yours. Just can't open your mouth and can't smile. Nothing.
Let's go.
Let's test it. One way to find out. All right.
Let's go.
Hello. Thank you. Keep working. Okay, we gotta get through. I think they noticed you. They're looking at you really weird. You can't talk. Did you notice like no one's actually looking at you?
So real.
No one noticed. Even the security. I can't believe this works. What?
Did she?